Continuing along Forest Road 23, the next stop is Spoon Creek Falls. It's a short hike through dense forest that opens up to a beautiful two-tier waterfall. This spot is tucked away just off the road, and it's well worth stopping to see it. So that's the bridge we just crossed over the West Fork Satsop River. Came up here a little ways. There's a little bit of parking spot. We got a few people here. I'm gonna head down the trail to the falls. Little bit of an incline coming down, not too bad. Little slick, and it narrows out a little bit right here. Back there you can hear water coming down through that Spoon Creek, headed over towards the Satsop River. It rained not too long ago. It's been sprinkling a little bit through here. You can see a little bit muddy right there. Brush is a little thick, and you can see water still on the branches as it narrows a little bit right here. It's pretty quiet through here. You do hear the wind through the trees a little bit. Spoon Creek off the distance. It shows it not being too far of a hike in here. I haven't gone that far, not even a quarter mile yet. I can hear the water up ahead. As I come up to a little turn off to the left here, you can see the river down there. It's sometimes interesting to see the way trees grow out in the middle of the forest. It's like one fell a long time ago that way and has buried itself into the ground a little bit, the trunk there, and other ones growing out of it. Now, this is a little bit of an offshoot right here. You can see the water flowing down through there. It's still a ways down there. I'll zoom back out a little bit and you can see. But go see if we can make it down there a little bit further. Just came down the trail right there, and this is Spoon Creek, feeding over into the Satsop River over there. We're gonna head up this creek as far as we can go, see if there are falls this way. We just ran into some people and we asked if the falls were up this way, and they said, yep, head up this trail here and you will get your feet wet. So we'll go see how that is. Yeah, like those people were saying that if we got our feet wet, we could cross over to the other side over there. That might be worth doing, taking the shoes off. We'll see. Devin is not taking his shoes off. Look at him just go. Look at that.
Gosh, man, this is so cool. Just a little effort to get to it, but hey, worth it. It's not far of a hike. Just a tiny bit technical in some places, but man, it's worth it.
All right, that was a nice little trip to Spoon Creek Falls. That was a pretty easy hike. You come down the hill a little bit, but worth coming down and seeing that cascading over the edge there. At least currently, where there is a tree hanging over that you can hang from and bounce. Just down from the trailhead entrance there, I just noticed a trail that shoots off here, and I just noticed there's a fence guardrail over there, so I'm imagining that there's a good view of the waterfall from here. Or at least a partial view of it. from the edge of the fence here. I'll go around it a little bit, see what kind of view we get. Perhaps not greatly recommended, but I'm going to hold on to this tree right here. Even with those trees in the way, still a great view. Nice. Ooh, a bridge up here. Going over it, and I can definitely hear that water.